So what are the qualities of an entrepreneur? Because every job or every skill has some of the other qualities. Quality is special characteristics or attributes. An individual, what you will say? This person, he's a nice man. He talks so good. And if the person is not good, what you will say? He's very rude. He doesn't talk well. He doesn't behave well. And then those people who are working, you give some task and they will just do it. So hardworking. People are hardworking sometimes. So these are the properties of an individual. But when we talk about the same qualities about an entrepreneur, there are different kind of entrepreneur. They are individuals also, but they have different kinds of attributes specific which has some difference from others. So what are the qualities of an entrepreneur? What is expected out of an entrepreneur? Any successful entrepreneur, what will be the qualities in him? First thing, any entrepreneur comes with a new business idea, with a new style of working, with something which is in demand, is hardworking, it is patient, is confident, is creative, always have new kind of approach, take responsibility. So an individual, he wants to gain profit, he wants to do some business, he wants to fulfill the demand of the society and the people, and then do all these trades or show these all trades also. So what are the qualities of an entrepreneur? See, first thing is, you must believe in yourself. That means any entrepreneur should be confident enough to understand, to believe that he can do this business and he can take the business decisions. That is, he need to be confident. Second thing is, sometimes the idea may not work. Sometimes it may work, sometimes it may fail. So an entrepreneur should keep trying always with certain new ideas, then new ideas. He may change the ideas. For example, the corona came. If we were not having entrepreneur of Serum Institute or say Bharat Biotech, nobody would have thought that we'll get these medicines of vaccination so easily. Because they were trying the new ideas, new things, depending upon the demand of the society. So it was a demand that people need vaccination. Now patient. Somebody says, running my business is very difficult. I have to give the electricity bill, I have to give the rent. There are so many things. I'm not getting profit. So sometimes you need to be very patient. Everything will not be a success. There are crest and trough in your life. Same as entrepreneur. Sometimes you may fail, but you will get success some other time. But you need to be patient and keep trying. These are the qualities of entrepreneur. Success will come only when you work hard for that success, to get that success. Right? Now, being creative. There are so many problems which are there in front of us. Society problem, demand problem. So the solution can be very naive, very say traditional. But the problem can be solved in a different way, in a very sophisticated or some different kind of way. So the idea has to be creative. You can be only successful. For example, there were taxis earlier. There were autos, there were rickshaws, everything was there. But people thought of the idea. They came up with Ola, Uber. Now you just go online. The car will come to you. You know how much amount to pay. You know the person also. So safety is also there. So something new or creative people thought. These are entrepreneurs. Let me tell you again. Confidence, trying of new ideas, being patient, waiting for the success, trying for the success, and being creative. These are the qualities of an entrepreneur. Now let us take the story of Zafar. Now there are certain problems that came, and how an entrepreneur come up with the solution and how they behave in certain indifferent situations. Okay. First thing is, I made a mistake. So if something wrong has happened because of my decisions, I am taking the responsibility. I will work to make it better. I will try to take the decision more appropriately next time. So, taking the responsibility of success as well as failure is what is a trait of a good entrepreneur. Then the decision after thinking about whether they are good or bad for my business. So this is very good. When you think about the bad and good of your business, that is, you cannot take any decision which is very harsh. You can take a calculated risk. You just don't take risk, even in the being an entrepreneur. Coming to hardworking. Somebody says, I work so hard, I work Saturdays, Sundays, I don't have time for my family, I don't give my time, my health is deteriorating. All these problem comes. But you see, Usain Bolt, he's number 100-meter world champion. Now he might have slept one day and woken up and he just won the race. No. He used to practice 10 to 12 hours a day. The way they eat, the way they practice, the way they behave, that is how he is number one. Hard work is the key. If you see about the animals, they are living life, but they still need to work hard to get their food. Everyone has to. And the final is, there are so many problems comes in the life, but it doesn't mean you just give up. Everyone has, as I said, success and failure. But just because you're not getting success every time, you can't just leave the job. You cannot just leave the intent for the life. So stay positive. Stay positive for your life. Think good about that.